Hello guys, like I said before, this is the grandson of Kinensky who win the championship in New Zealand in 2006. There is 20 years ago, and he is the grandson of Kinensky. His brother before on championship on the tournament 1 month ago. His brother is become a champion. So now I'm prepared for this one, maybe, and I hope uh, this horse, my little horse, will have strength or speed like his brother before. And I need your wish uh, for my horse. Please pray for my horse to get new or good talent in the grass track. So now we are continue to chefing.